Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find ill Makiage promo codes in 2025. So in order to get the best promo codes, you will have to come to this website, that is coupons.com. Over here, you need to use the search bar in the top right hand corner and search for ill Makiage New York. Now once you search for it, you will see all of the working promo codes as of January 2025, and as you can see, total 12 deals and coupon codes available. Now you just have to simply select the coupon code or the deal in which you are interested. So let's say I want to get this deal over here. So you need to click on get deal option, and it will say that for this deal to be activated, you don't need to have any code, and make sure that you read the terms and conditions. As you can see that this code or deal is available for new and existing customers, so it is a good thing that the deal is also for the existing customers, because most of the time new customers get the offers, but the existing customers have to wait a lot of time in order to find the best discounts and deals. Now you need to go to the official website of illmakiage.com, and here you can just place your order, and at the time of the checkout you can just see whether you gained the offer or not. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.